What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth of himself, the fun, put in work, Burke. Back again with another video. Alright, so I want to talk about something that's been, running through my mind for the past few weeks. Been thinking about it for a while now, and I watched the video of my people, All Things Real. He's a YouTuber. Pretty decent sized YouTuber, on his grind a lot, making a lot of money, making a lot of noise out there in Baltimore. I see you, fam. And he brought up a subject about being a black YouTuber. Like, the field is not leveled being a black YouTuber, especially if you're not in the entertainment field when it comes to being a black YouTuber. See, the problem is, and even my guy Richard Fain, even him, he even talked about it on his channel. And I'm gonna link those videos in the description. That's so y'all can understand where I'm coming from, and maybe you guys can leave some comments about this. But alright, so let me finish my thought. The problem with being a black YouTuber that's not an entertainer is that all you dudes and peoples and black people want, and you niggas basically want entertainment. Y'all want to be entertained. Y'all don't really want to learn about dividend investing. Y'all don't really want to know about how to flip real estate. Y'all really don't want to learn about, the different ways to make passive income online, like investing in different websites and flipping websites, and just building wealth, just creating true income without having to work a 9 to 5 for the rest of your life. All y'all want to do is be entertained.
Are you not entertained?
All y'all want to be entertained. And YouTube doesn't help with this, how could I say, this box that y'all keep putting us in. Because when you really think about it, right, from what All Things Real was saying, he was saying that, YouTube, because we're black, will promote our channels and our videos to a black audience, which makes sense, right? When you think about it from a business standpoint, you think because that person is black or white or whatever it is, Asian, whatever they are, you put them in a box and you set the algorithm to promote them to this, their culture, the people that are in their culture. But the people in our culture don't want to learn from us, right? You guys want to learn from Dave Ramsey. You guys want to learn from Grant Cardone. You guys want to learn from all these other, Caucasian, the brighter side of things, because you feel deep down inside, somewhere in your soul, that they are going to teach you how to get rich. They are going to teach you how to handle your money. They're going to teach you how to build wealth. They're going to really show you what to do with your credit cards, and how to build business credit, and how to, make yourself financially free. You don't want to learn from anyone with this color, because you feel deep down inside that this person with this color can't teach you anything, because we're the same color, because we have the same lineage. And it's built in you through systemic racism. It's built in you through years of being told and pushed away from actually being one, right? Like being together and joining forces together and saying, no, only focus on your family, or only focus on your people, and don't listen to what they got to say. Listen to me. I know better. See what I got? I got stuff. So yeah, I know better. Right? because that's all we listen to. If you can't see that, a nice car in the background, or a big house, or a lot of money, or if I had a chain on or something like that, then you would roll with it. You probably follow me to the depths of hell. You know what I'm saying? If I showed you big houses and whole bunch of different, flashy things, jewelry, girls, poolside entertainment. If I showed you those things, then, and only then you'd probably listen. And maybe halfway listen. Because think of it like this, right? I've seen YouTubers with 60,000 subscribers and get about 6 million views. And they're talking about the same thing that I talk about. And we'll be in the same algorithm. We'll be lined up. Like my video will be showing right next to their video, and you'll pick their video over mine because A, they might have more viewers, they might have more subscribers, and B, they're not the same color as you. They're not the same color as you, so you feel like they know more because the other person that's talking about this, he's the same color as you, and you don't want to learn from him. You don't think you should learn from him. You should only learn from the other color. And, you feel like I should be shucking and jiving and entertaining you only, right? Doing all that stuff, right? That's what you want. That's what you want from me. You don't want the real. You don't want the information. You don't want the infotainment. You want the entertainment. You know what I'm saying? You don't really want me to teach you nothing. You don't really want me to show you nothing. Because if you did, it was showing my numbers, right? It was showing the subscribers. It was showing the views. It would show that way. But since it doesn't, it's obvious that if I don't come with into some juiciness, some tea, something, something dramatic. Oh, I hate that guy. All things real. I don't even fuck with EYL. Oh, fuck Richard Fain. Oh, I hate all these black YouTubers. Me and DJ Academic is beefing. Oh, me and Mike Rashid. I don't like Mike Rashid, what he talk about, right? All these bigger YouTubers, if I said to y'all I was dissing or had beef with, then I'd probably get some views. Then I'll probably get some type of traction on my channel. Because I have 10,000 subscribers currently at the time of this video, and the views do not equate to the amount of subscribers at all. It's a study showing that for every amount of subscribers you have, so say like at the amount of 10,000 subscribers, I should get at least 100 to 150 views on my videos, because 1% of those subscribers should be showing. I get like 1% of the 1%. That's terrible. That is ridiculously bad numbers. And I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm just trying to figure out why. Why, right? So after watching all these different videos about being a black YouTuber and how terrible it is, our views don't match our subscribers, because, people, you'll subscribe because, consciously you want to learn, but subconsciously you want to be entertained. Subconsciously you want to be, you want to watch the shuck and jiving. Subconsciously you want to watch the screaming, the yelling, the pranks, the acting a fool, the gossip, the beef, all that toxic stuff. You want to watch. You want to see the toxic shit. You want to see the shit that is not going to help you get a bigger house or be financially free or live comfortably. Nah, you don't want to talk about building businesses. You don't want to talk about none of that. You don't want to really listen to none of that. You want to hear the bullshit. You want to learn about Cat Williams and Club Shay Shay. That's what you want. And it's showing in the numbers. So I say all that to say, I really thought about killing my channel, like deading this channel, like saying, fuck it, I'm done. Like, y'all don't really want what I give it, right? Because I can get 10,000, 15,000 views and no subscribers, or the opposite, right? And nothing really pan out. I could do shucking and driving for y'all, and y'all probably would watch. But that's not me. I talk, you know, I laugh, I talk, I joke, and all that good stuff, but you know, that's not me. I like to give y'all the business. I stand on business. I like to give y'all things about business and learn about business, because that's what I like to talk about. And there's other YouTubers that like to talk about it too. They just not in my color. So since they're not in my color, I don't get the same notoriety as that they do. But be that as it may, and I don't give a fuck. I'ma do me. I might keep the channel, I might not. Stay tuned. Anyways, Wealthbuilderz for life. I'm gonna still build my empire. I'm still gonna create my financial freedom. I'm still gonna create the lifestyle that I've been living, and going to keep creating the lifestyle I've been living, and building my businesses and living my life, and having to enjoy my wife and my 4 kids, and my black wife, my black kids, my black lifestyle. I just think I show y'all little niggas this the same, right? I ain't gotta show y'all that to make a buck, right? Because I ain't gotta show y'all toxicness, toxic energy. I ain't gotta show y'all that energy to make a buck. I don't want to, because there's enough of that in the world. We need to change. Black people as a whole, we need to change. We need to change our mentality. We need to change our focus. We need to change how we look at things. We need to really change how we operate, and really start building really strong communities. Starts at the home, and it starts online also, because that's how we can connect. If we actually use the online platforms to connect and build and grow, instead of gossiping and toxicness and beefing and talking shit about each other and doing all this other dumb shit for entertainment. I mean, entertainment has its place. And yes, we should have fun. And yes, we should laugh and joke and do all this stuff and have comedy and things like that. But there's also a place for education. There's a place to learn how to actually feed and build our communities and really become one, right? But anyhow, man, ran over. This is how I feel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep it for now. I ain't going nowhere for now. Let's see how long it lasts, right? But if you like what I do, if you're really into what the Wealthbuilderz is about, check out the links in the description. Subscribe to the channel. It's the man. It's the myth. The Wealthbuilderz himself. Signing off for the problem with black YouTube. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace.